Hey guys, Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist, and today in the clinic we're going to take a look at the Cubii. So I purchased this about a week ago. I've been using it with a handful of patients. This is one of their more premium models. We've been really happy with it. This has the upper extremity exercise element. It's got this handle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this out. I'm going to set it down in front of the chair and we're going to use it just a little bit. It's pretty heavy. I would say it's about 20 to 25 pounds. I'll look up the exact specifications, but it is, easy to store. It's got a tiny footprint. You can see when I come into position, this is point of view of the user. If I place my heels all the way down toward the back, it's a very small motion. Mostly the ankle is doing the work. But then if I place my heels forward in the pedal, kind of feet over the top, now this becomes a larger range of motion. I'm working the hamstrings, the quadriceps, the calf. It's got better mobility through all three joints of the hip, knee, and ankle. I've really been happy with it. It's got resistance going forward, but then it also has resistance going backward with it, which is a great option. You can see the digital display comes on automatically. And then we've got these handles with an elastic tubing that provides resistance for upper body exercise. There are wheels on the front. So if I was to place this in front of me and it was too far away from me, there's a little hand grip underneath here. I can lift it and roll it in so it's closer and more between my feet. I can also then lift it and roll it out. But all in all, we've been really happy with this purchase.